Upgrade your speakers. Adapters enable you to upgrade your vehicle-specific factory speakers with aftermarket speaker into the factory locations. Speaker compatibility. Fits most 4 inches aftermarket speakers with a maximum top mount diameter of 3 3/4, 95 mm. See measurements image to verify that your speakers will fit in these adapters. Vehicle compatibility. Fits most import and domestic vehicles with factory 4x6 speakers. See measurements image to verify that these adapters will fit your vehicle. Quality materials. High-grade ABS materials, precision designed for a gapless fit between the speaker and the adapter, providing a long-lasting, secure fit. Buy with confidence. Backed by Scosche's lifetime tech support and limited lifetime warranty. The Scosche SA464 speaker adapter pair is designed for replacing your factory speakers and installing aftermarket 4 inches speakers with up to a 3 3/4 top mount diameter into the factory speaker locations of many domestic and import vehicles. Compatible with 4-inch by 6-inch factory speaker locations. The adapters are made from high-grade built-to-last ABS materials to hold up to the harsh environment of your vehicle's interior. These adapters from Scosche are the perfect solution for your aftermarket speaker install. Top reviews from the United States. Bang for buck. These adapters worked perfectly for installing tweeters in my dash. Will order again for another car. I'm doing same thing too. 1987 to 1990 Chevrolet Caprice is what I used them for.